Today's project is a cutting board. I've never made one. So what I want to do is I'm going to teach myself how to make cutting boards, okay? Now to do this, I'm going to try to use every tool in the shop except my impact wrench, okay? What I mean by that is this is a piece of maple that I've had for a while. I'm going to use my compound miter saw and cut it into a square, probably more like a rectangle. And then it's got one unfinished edge. So I'm going to run that unfinished edge over on the joiner. Just to let you know, while I'm doing that, I'm going to be terrified because that thing scares the hell out of me. Okay? Then the board has a little bit of a cup to it. And I'm going to use my brand new DeWalt 735 planer. Planer? Yeah, planer. That I paid for with my own money. Nobody gives me, nobody sponsors these things. And my dust collection system is a DC 650 from Jet that I bought off Marketplace. Now I'm going to put a little curve here and a little curve down here, and I'm going to use my bandsaw that I bought at an auction. Then after that, I'm going to route the edges, just round off the edges with my router, which is over there. And then finish it. And what am I going to finish it with? I'm going to just use a butcher block conditioner. Now, there's basically three types from my vast knowledge of cutting boards, i.e. watching YouTube videos. There's basically three types of cutting boards. There's face grain. That's what I'm going to be doing because it's the absolute simplest. The next is an edge grain. You cut this in strips like this. You turn them 90 degrees. You glue them together. And that's an edge grain. That's supposed to be stronger than a face grain. Then the last type is an end grain. And that's where you cut it into strips this way, rotate them 90 degrees, stack them up, and then glue them together. And then that's called an end grain. That's supposed to be the strongest. Not going to get to that one for a while. Then once I get it all done, so I mean it's done, right? I'm going to grab my laser engraver and then I'm going to just do a little laser engraving on it. So with all that being said, let's get to work. here it is. This is my first cutting board. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Did I make progress? Yes, I actually made a cutting board. This was a face grain, which is the simplest to make. Now I'm going to go on to the next step, which is an edge grain, and that's going to be a little bit more difficult. I actually have to do glue ups and stuff for that. If you're interested, just look it up on my channel. I'm sure it'll be easy to find. Thanks for watching.